Stop buying an overgassed 12 gauge just because the guy behind the gun counter said it runs clean. 99% of guys think a massive price tag guarantees reliability in the blind, and it costs them limits of greenheads when the temperature drops to single digits. Look, here is the raw truth. The waterfowl environment is the most brutal testing ground on Earth. Corrosive salt water, blowing silica sand, and freezing rain will destroy a weak action in a matter of hours. You think you know what the top-tier duck gun looks like this year? You have been lied to by the marketing guys. Today, we are tearing down the 5 best semi-automatic duck hunting shotguns of 2026. We are cutting all the fluff and showing you the machines that actually put birds in the freezer. Next up at number 7, we have the Franchi Affinity 3. Rugged and ruthless, this shotgun is the undisputed heavyweight champion of the budget inertia market. It tips the scales at exactly 6.8 pounds, making it an absolute featherweight to drag through waist-deep mud all day without burning out your shoulders. It feeds on 12-gauge shells, handling brutal 3-inch magnums without breaking a sweat. Under the hood, this rig uses an inertia-driven system inherited directly from its parent company, Benelli. Instead of bleeding filthy gas into the receiver, it relies on the rearward recoil of the shotgun to compress a heavy inertia spring inside the bolt carrier. Once that spring bottoms out, it violently expands, throwing the bolt backward to eject the spent hull. That means all the carbon, plastic wad shavings, and unburnt powder get blown straight out the barrel, keeping your action bone dry and spotless in freezing weather. But here is the truth. It completely drops the ball on factory ergonomics. The bolt release button and the charging handle are absurdly small, right out of the box. If you are wearing thick neoprene gloves in sub-zero temperatures, trying to manipulate those tiny controls feels like trying to pick up a single dime with chopsticks. Taking the hit from this lightweight inertia gun feels like a sharp jab from a middleweight fighter. It definitely lets you know you pulled the trigger. Squeezing the trigger, however, snaps like a brittle wishbone, giving you a clean break for fast follow-up shots. The damage to your wallet is roughly $949. This is an absolute steal for the mechanical reliability you get. Stepping up the game at number 6, we are looking at the Weatherby Sorix. Manufactured in Italy, this inertia-driven rig is a serious workhorse that delivers heavy-hitting performance in the absolute worst wetland conditions. It slings 12-gauge downrange, perfectly willing to swallow heavy payloads to knock down high-flying waterfowl. It tips the scales at roughly 7 pounds, keeping the swing smooth and controlled when you are tracking fast-moving birds. The real mechanical brilliance of this system lies in its completely ambidextrous receiver geometry. Instead of forcing southpaw shooters to shell out extra cash for an expensive, dedicated left-handed action, the internal design allows you to physically swap the charging handle and safety mechanism from right to left in a matter of minutes. That structural flexibility lets you customize the weapon to perfectly match your biomechanics without paying a massive premium. Ye sound off below if you are a lefty who is tired of getting hot brass ejected across your face because the industry forgot about you. Taking the recoil from this stock feels like catching a heavy medicine ball. Solid, but entirely manageable. Pulling the trigger feels as crisp as breaking a fresh carrot. But let us be real about the downside. The aesthetic finish is not exactly armor-plated. The camo dipping on the stock and forend tends to scratch and flake off if you are constantly rubbing it against an aluminum boat hull or banging it around in a pit blind. After one hard season, you're going to see bare metal shining through the high-traffic areas. Walking out the door, this rig will set you back roughly $1,499. It is a slightly higher price tag, but that unmatched versatility makes it worth every single penny. Moving on to number 5, we are looking at the Browning A520 gauge. This rig is an absolute ghost in the flooded timber, built specifically for the hunter who wants to move fast and strike hard in tight cover. It tips the scales at a mind-blowing 5 pounds 13 ounces, making it feel more like a pointing wand than a traditional duck gun. It feeds on 3-inch 20-gauge shells, proving you do not need a massive 12-gauge cannon to fold birds if you actually know how to put your shot on target. Under the hood, this humpback runs on the kinematic drive system, unlike standard gas-operated guns that foul up with carbon and plastic wad shavings. This short recoil action harnesses the rearward kinetic energy of the shot to compress a heavy internal spring. Once that spring bottoms out, it throws the bolt backward to cycle the action. That means it runs incredibly clean and thrives in freezing, muddy environments where gas pistons turn into solid blocks of ice. But let us be real about the deal breaker here. The recoil penalty is severe. Because this shotgun is so incredibly light and relies on mechanical inertia rather than bleeding off expanding gas, you're going to absorb every single ounce of kinetic energy from those heavy hunting loads. If you are expecting the soft push of a heavier gas gun, this featherweight platform will absolutely punish your shoulder during a high-volume hunt. Taking the hit from this rig feels like catching a fast-pitch baseball right in the shoulder pocket. Squeezing the trigger, however, snaps like a brittle icicle, giving you a perfectly clean break for those fast follow-up shots. The damage to your wallet is roughly $1,800 to $1,900. This is a surgical tool for the dedicated sub-gauge hunter. But wait until you see the absolute monster at number 1, because it completely changes the game. Now we get serious with the Mossberg 940 Pro Waterfowl. Sound off below if you trust this rig in the absolute worst conditions, because the fanboys usually overlook this working man's weapon. Tipping the scales at 7 pounds 12 ounces, this shotgun is built like an absolute tank. It slings 12-gauge downrange, specifically optimized for 3-inch magnums instead of the longer 3.5-inch shells. Under the hood, the magic happens with the boron nitride-coated internal components. Instead of relying on wet gun oil that turns into sticky sludge when the temperature drops, this dry lubricant acts as a permanent shield on the gas piston and sear. That chemical layer prevents carbon buildup from bonding to the metal, letting you run up to 1,500 rounds before you even need to think about a deep clean. Ripping a shot feels like a firm handshake from a linebacker. You know the power is there. But the redesigned gas system keeps you flat on target, pulling the oversized trigger brake crisp as shattered ice. But here is the truth. It drops the ball in one specific area. It only chambers 3-inch shells. If you are hunting late-season geese and absolutely need the payload of a 3.5-inch Magnum, this gun will leave you hanging. Street price is right around $10.50 to $12.64. For a dedicated duck killer, that leaves plenty of cash left over for decoys and ammo. Stepping onto the podium at number 3 is the updated 2026 Benelli M2 Field. If you caught the footage coming out of the 2026 SHOT Show, you already know the hype around this revamp is entirely justified. This 6.7-pound workhorse is the absolute gold standard for guys who drag their gear through the worst mud and completely refuse to clean it. It eats 12-gauge target loads and brutal 3-inch hunting magnums without skipping a beat. Under the hood, it relies on the legendary, battle-proven, inertia-driven system. Instead of trapping filthy, expanding gas, it harnesses rearward kinetic energy to cycle the action. That means all the carbon, plastic, and unburnt powder blows straight out the muzzle, keeping your receiver bone dry when the temperature plummets. For this updated model, they finally redesigned the forend and thinned out the grip, giving you way better control when you are wearing thick neoprene gloves. But here is the harsh truth. It is still vulnerable to the dreaded Benelli click. If you snag the bolt handle on a branch while pushing through thick brush and it gets bumped even slightly out of battery, the gun will not fire. You will just hear a dead, sickening click while the birds fly away. You have to aggressively slam that bolt home to ensure it is locked. Taking the hit from this lightweight inertia rig feels like a stiff, flat jab to the shoulder. It is snappy, but the Comfort Tech recoil pad takes the edge off. The trigger breaks clean like snapping a dry winter twig. Walking out the door, this Italian-made tank will set you back roughly $1,399. It is a serious investment, but it will easily outlast you and your grandkids. Coming in hot at number 2 is the Beretta AX800 Suprema. This 7.8-pound flagship is built to swing smooth and crush high-flying waterfowl. It eats 12-gauge for breakfast, handling everything up to brutal 3.5-inch magnums without a single hiccup. Under the hood, it rocks a monolithic polymer chassis with a high-strength steel insert. That means 0 weak points at the wrist and way less external metal to rust in a salt marsh. It runs the advanced B-Link Pro gas system, using specialized coatings to fight off carbon buildup and keep you shooting longer. But here is the harsh truth. When it does get packed with mud, deep cleaning is an absolute nightmare. The gas valve is so highly engineered that a full teardown requires specialized tools. You're not field stripping this rig on your tailgate with a pocket knife. The recoil, thanks to internal hydraulic dampeners, shooting those massive 3.5-inch shells feels like a soft shove. The trigger breaks clean like winter ice. Walking out the door, this Italian masterpiece will run you about $2,500. It is a massive financial hit, but the recoil reduction is completely unmatched. The number 1 spot is locked in. We are crowning the TriStar Viper G2 Pro as the absolute king of the marsh for 2026. I know the purists are losing their minds right now, but when you look at the raw performance, this Turkish-built machine takes the throne. It takes the crown because it gives you the buttery smooth operation of the Maxxis 2, but with a price tag that puts the SX4 to shame. Tipping the scales at just under 7 pounds. This shotgun carries like an absolute dream through waist-deep mud. It runs 12-gauge shells, handling everything from light target loads to brutal 3-inch magnums without a single hiccup. Under the hood, it features a manual EZ load magazine cutoff. By slightly pushing the lifter up, it physically isolates the tubular magazine, allowing you to instantly clear the chamber and drop a heavier goose load directly into the action without dumping your entire payload into the dirt. That specific mechanism gives you total tactical control over your ammunition when a flock surprises you. Taking the hit from this gas-operated system feels like catching a heavy sandbag tossed by a buddy, completely eliminating the violent muzzle jump you normally expect from lightweight rigs. The factory oversized bolt handle and aggressively textured over molded rubber grips lock into your hands even when your gloves are caked in freezing sleet. Squeezing the trigger snaps like a brittle wishbone, giving you absolute confidence on crossing shots. Walking out the door, this rig commands roughly $855. You're getting top-tier reliability, heavy-duty hardware, and a chrome-lined barrel that brushes off saltwater like it is nothing. For the hardcore waterfowler who demands absolute perfection without emptying his bank account, nothing else on the market even comes close. At the end of the day, you can buy the most expensive gear on the planet, but it will not make you a better hunter. If you do not put in the hours scouting, breaking ice, and brushing in your blind, you're going home empty-handed. These 5 shotguns will survive the absolute worst conditions you can throw at them, but it is entirely on you to pull your weight when the birds finally commit. Here at Scoper 360, we do not care about the marketing hype. We only care about what actually runs when the weather turns brutal. Stop making excuses about your equipment failing. Pick a platform that works and start putting in the work. If you want the raw truth without the fluff, lock it in right here.